what we want to do, we've seen how we can, in the previous lecture, upload files, create bucket. Now what if we want to download an object from the S3 bucket? Now what I will do, I will create a new let's say content variable of string.empty. This will hold actually our object data. I will create a new get object request. I'll call it request equal a new get object request. So now let's head back. Now what I need to pass here, I need to pass the bucket name, and as well I will need to pass the key. Now the key represents the name of the file. So we have the object request that we need to make a request to get the data from the S3 bucket. Now what I will need to do, I need to create a using, okay, and that using will be from get object response. I'm gonna call it response. It will await the client dot get object async, and we're gonna need to pass the request. Now what also we will need a using for stream response stream equal response, response dot response stream. Now we will need the last using, which will be stream reader equal new stream reader, and we will be passing the response stream. So now we have all the objects and the, let's say, the data that we need. What we'll do is actually say the content of the file equal reader read to end, which will read all the content file as a string. Now I will come down here and print out the content of the file. I'll go content right here. What also I want to do, I want to print out the file type or the content type. So I'm gonna say content type, and we're gonna take this one from response.header, and we're gonna pass the header name. And we're gonna print out this. So now we have all what we need to get a file or an object from the S3 and like read the content and also get the content type via the response header. And also if you navigate the response object, you will see many things that you can use to help you with getting more information about this S3 object. So now I will run this code, and notice with me the output of this code. Hopefully I passed the right parameters. It will take some time for sure to send the request and also get back the desired response. Now sorry, we had like an error right here with the txt, so that's why the S3 console did not respond. Now notice with me that we can see the content of the file. This is written inside the file. Notice as well we can get the content type, and now it's printed out on the screen. So as you can see, it's quite simple to get any object we need from the S3 bucket. You just need to pass an object request and pass the key name for it to see its content.